Hi, this is a very simple trick. First I'm doing this and then I'm showing how I did this. See, it's an ordinary card deck, everything is normal. Oh, I saw the cards at the moment, so I'm making one more shuffle. Okay, now I'm ready. I will make this deck into two halves from a random place, like this. The fourth card from here tells me what's the fourth card from here, from the top. The fourth card from the top here is two of clubs, and two of clubs. Let's do it again. I'm making one shuffle, or we can make two, like this. Okay. Let's make the pack into two halves from a random place. The second card from here, or the fourth card from here, tells me what is the fourth card from top of here. Okay. The fourth card from here is five of hearts, and the fourth card. Okay, I think a lot of people understood how this trick is done, but yeah, anyway, now I'm showing you how I did this trick. For the first thing, show to the public that all the cards are normal and here's no set, but actually you're watching the fourth card from the top. At the moment it's 10 hearts. You can do it like this, but I'm not so good at this, so okay. Then you make one more shuffle, but be sure that you don't move the top four cards, so it's still the 10 of hearts here. Now let the spectator make this deck into two halves. Be sure that he doesn't move the top four cards, so you know that here fourth card is 10 of hearts. Now tell that the fourth card here tells me what's the fourth card from there. You don't show the fourth card from here, because after you will need it, okay? Remember it, public? Put it here and say it's 10, red 10. Make it very mystery, and yeah, it's 10 of hearts. Now put everything here and do one more shuffle, but be sure that the fourth card from here, the 7 of hearts, will stay on top of the big deck. So shuffle it like this. Okay. Now let the spectator make the deck into two halves again. You know that the fourth card from here is 7 of hearts, and then you make this like the fourth card from here tells me what the fourth card from there. And this is the 7 of hearts, the fourth card. Okay, bye. Subscribe.